the angels have a message for you that someone is really attracted to your loving nature. They see everything through a positive and dreamy lens because they are deeply in love with you. They are amazed by your calm, caring, and passionate aura. They find you adorable, and even though you might be a bit introverted, they have a cute crush on you. This connection is going to get stronger. Both of you want to deepen this love, so you will naturally be drawn to each other. The person you're thinking about while reading this might be your forever love. God has a special plan for you, a very lucky and happy phase of life. You and this person will come together, growing and making wishes come true. It's like a divine blessing. Repeat this after me. I am open to receiving love, respect, and happiness. Thank you, angels, and thank you, universe.